What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. Today will probably be the shortest video I'll ever make and post on YouTube. So apparently the issue that I'm having with the coils, it's nothing else than dielectric grease. So I'm gonna take the doubt away out of myself and everybody else around. I'm gonna pull the coils, add some of this magical dielectric grease, and see if the car breaks up. So let's see if this is really what's causing the problem. So according to PRP, they're saying I didn't add dielectric grease, that it's an install error. So, I mean, I hope they're right. Either way, regardless, I'm going to be changing the boots, and then I'm going to be putting the rubber boots when they come in. But for now, I just want to eliminate that as a possible scenario. Alright, so first coil, you don't hear anything, like PRP suggested. I'm gonna open it up anyway. Alright, the little, I guess whatever you call this, fuse or whatever you want to call it, spring is in there. The boot only goes in one way. There's no way you could get that wrong. Okay, there's literally no way you could get that wrong. So I'm going to be using a Q-tip, and from what I read online, you only apply a small amount. You don't have to go crazy. Inside the boot part, which is here. Okay, should be enough. So again, going back, how they suggested, spring goes in here. There's nothing in there. Spring goes in, that settles in there. Over here, we have the coil, the fuse that's in there, and then they just go into each other. And that's it. That's how they're all gonna look. Shake it around. It's nice and tight. There's no play. So that's number one. We're gonna do all same. We're gonna repeat the process with the rest of it. that in there nice. Put the screw on this one. Make sure it's tight. And then move on to the other 5. Alright. So I'm gonna set up the tripod now with the rest of them on a time lapse. Just kind of skip over the rest, and then we'll give it a shot after we're done. All right, grease is applied. Let's connect the coils back. And the plugs. Start from the first one right here. Shut it off again. Click. 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 4. Click. 5. We're gonna click. Click. And last but not least, number 6. All right. So now for the best time, let's take it for a test drive. See if she passes 20 pounds of boost. Cold start. We have the boost controller off, so it's at the lowest setting. That should be about 20 pounds. We'll try it there, see if it breaks up. All right, you ready? Give it another rip here.
Oh God! I hate this. That was I actually like that.
Yeah. Well, I think we're good. We're just aim over here. I think we're just very low on fuel. So let me go get some gas and we'll try this again.
Supra, man. Like,
Yeah, I started recording, bro.
Yeah, man, you can take all the pictures you want. It's in the car.
clean, man.
Hold on, let me pop the hood for you.
It's a fucking Supra. Yeah, if I feel right over for a Supra, I don't care, bro. What's up, man?
It's dirty as fuck right now. Yeah, man, that's the best feeling, man. When you have somebody come up to you and and appreciate the hard work you put into the car, that they like the final product. It's bad news. We lost one of the GoPros. I had I had one of the GoPros mounted back here. In fact, gonna get the exhaust, and it flew out, man. So a little bummed out about that. But yeah, hopefully Dielectric Grease did the magic trick. How much gas is in this thing? I think it's real. 40 bucks. All right, let's go. All right, let's see if she breaks up. Hell yeah, look. Thank God, man. It fell right there in the curve. Thank God it didn't go in the gutter. Got a little scratchy in the corner, but hey, at least it's not a total bad night. Hey, come on, let's go. Let's go home. All right, guys. So I'm excited that I found the GoPro. I mean, you know, whatever. The car is still breaking up, but who cares? I found the GoPro. That's, although it would have been, you know, wasted 350 bucks. Got a little scratch right there in the corner or whatever, but whatever. She's one piece, so no car ran over it. Thank God. I gotta thank my little nephew, David. You did the recording tonight. You know, helped me out. Thank you, guys. We're we're gonna try the rubber boots. I got PRP from Australia. They're chiming in on the issue, and they said to try the grease, so I tried that. I feel like I improved a little better, but it's still obviously still breaking up. You know, 20 pounds is it's not even half of what I'm gonna be running. So we're gonna wait for the boots to arrive and see if hopefully that's the issue. But I feel like I got a little better, so I think, you know, I'm pretty sure now I'm leaning towards that is the problem. The spark is not going all the way down to the spark plug, and it's just bursting out somewhere in the stock. All right, guys. So I got a couple, you know, little clips of pulls. Those guys in the gas station, that was pretty fun. So I hope you guys, I know it was a short, you know, whatever video, but hope you guys enjoy it. All right, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.